Good morning everyone, welcome back to my vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's vlog, we are checking out from the beautiful Royal Tulip Spring Hill Resort in Jimbaran, Bali. And let me tell you guys, the experience here has been nothing short of amazing. So our morning started with a lavish breakfast spread. From the live counters to a wide variety of options, the dining experience was truly delightful. So these were all the options of breakfast, just quickly giving you guys a quick tour. Also, this restaurant is really nice and amazing. They have wide variety of continental spread and juices. I hear all variety of fruits, everything you'll find here. Then egg station is here, separate salad counters. Also, what makes this resort even more special is the range of daily activities for both kids and adults, from early morning yoga sessions to engaging games and fun-filled evenings. There's something for everyone over here in this resort. So you can always check the schedule of activities at the reception during your stays. It's always mentioned what all timings and what all activities are planned for the day for the kids as well as for the adults. So over here they have a variety of sachets for mocha, hot chocolate, then green tea sachets, coffee sachets, and also you can pick them up. Hot water is there, and he was making something very special for at the live counter, and he was getting his little trolley at each table if they wanted to have. So let's check out what he's making. So it was really nice and delicious. It was like a pancake. He was making it with egg and some flour. Really nice and delicious it was. Also guys, I have shared the full hotel tour in my previous vlog, so don't forget to check it out. I'm dropping the link in the description box below for you. So do check out the full hotel tour where I have shown each and everything related to the hotel. And also check out my other vlogs of Bali where I have mentioned best hotels to stay in Bali, whether it's Uluwatu, Jimbaran, or whether it's any other place in Bali. And you can just check out all the vlogs also for best places for sightseeing. So the resort facilities are equally impressive. They are spacious, aesthetic and comfortable rooms, a stunning swimming pool area which I'm going to show you now, a separate play area they have for kids, and a beautiful in-house restaurant with a serene vibe, which is this one. So this is their big restaurant, and over here only they serve breakfast. Even dinner buffet was also there last night. So a great experience here. So after breakfast, the hotel surprised us with a super fun foam swimming pool party for kids. Such a unique experience where little ones had the best time splashing around the pool. Also, even the elders, their parents and all, they also joined the party. It was super nice and fun filled activity for kids. So even their pool area was so nice and massive. They had a few rides also for kids, the slides and all, and it was super fun experience. The kids didn't wanted to come out of the pool, and we had so much fun sitting here after breakfast. So lovely experience here in this hotel. So I will recommend you guys to definitely come and stay here on your next visit to Bali. So now as we wrap up our stay in Jimbaran, we are heading towards another breathtaking destination, Uluwatu. So in this vlog, you will also see a visit to famous Uluwatu temple. where there are dramatic cliffs overlooking the ocean. And later we'll dine at a gorgeous cliffside restaurant called Manali. So trust me, you wouldn't want to miss this view. Amazing. So we have rented a scooty here, so it becomes very easy to commute from one place to another. So yeah, and also you skip the traffic when you are in scooty. So yeah, a must. Definitely you should rent a scooty whenever you are here. And this is Four Seasons, where we went yesterday. Do check out my previous vlog. I went to Dior Cafe at Four Seasons. Amazing aesthetic cafe, full of luxury. And see, this kind of traffic is there in Bali. So if you are in car or taxi, you'll get stuck. So we are in scooty, so we can just skip this traffic. So it's gonna take around 45 minutes for us to reach Uluwatu. Also because of traffic, if there is no traffic, you can also reach there in like 30 minutes. So we came here Uluwatu ATV adventure first, as we wanted to do ATV ride, but unfortunately we are a little late and it's about to get closed, and the slots are completely full, so you have to pre-book. So yeah, we can come here tomorrow or maybe next time, but my son really wanted to experience this ride. So next time whenever you are here, to pre-book this ride, as the slots get full really nice. And they also experience this ATV ride from the jungle. You have to explore the jungles, and also amazing experience it is. But yeah, but maybe next time we will come here again. So now we are heading to this beautiful cliff restaurant, and just look at this pathway from where we are going. We asked the way from someone, and amazing roads, amazing weather, greenery, everything looks so nice here. And you actually enjoy the scooty ride here because the weather is in your favor, and the rides, the roads, everything is so nice, full of greenery. And really nice. It looks like a scenery here, and we actually enjoyed our 40 minutes ride on scooty. So now I have parked my scooty here, and I'm taking you to one of the most breathtaking and aesthetic spots in Uluwatu. The name of the place is Malini Cliff Restaurant. Yeah, the name is Malini, and I think I misheard it from someone. I was calling it Milani, yeah, something else, but the name is Malini, which is located right on top of the cliff. So this cafe is an absolute paradise for anyone who loves stunning views, good vibes and delicious food. This is a big swimming pool area here, and the moment you step in, you are welcomed with this serene ocean breeze and a panoramic view that feels straight out of a postcard. The cliff top location makes it the perfect place to unwind, relax and soak in the beauty of Uluwatu. Honestly, it's the kind of spot where you just want to sit for hours and never leave. So Malini Cliff Restaurant is definitely a must visit in Uluwatu, perfect for couples, friends and families looking to enjoy not just great food but also the most magical sunset views in Bali. And if you are planning a trip to Bali, make sure this Cliff Cafe is on your list, because the combination of aesthetic ambience, mouth-watering food and breathtaking views is truly unmatched. I had such a memorable time here, and I'm sure you are going to fall in love with this place too. So a must visit place here. Also guys, I'm attaching a link below for another beautiful place here in Bali, which is the Dior Cafe. Do visit it if you are fond of luxury, aesthetic. So, and also after visiting here, we are going to Uluwatu Temple, which is just 5 minutes distance from here. So, I'm all dressed up in this beautiful red dress and done bold lips today. Just wanted to do a nice makeup for this beautiful romantic cafe here. And this is my look of the day, my OOTD, and just going to check out the place from inside. Let me show you a little bit of the sitting area. So over here you have to pre-book if you want to sit like next to the ocean view, but you have to be very aware of your belongings if you're sitting here, because there are monkeys coming here and they actually grab your belongings, so just be very mindful of that. They also have a wide sitting over here if you want to sit there. Again, a very beautiful place. So the restaurant is quite massive. So stay tuned for my next vlog. I'm gonna give you a complete tour of Uluwatu Temple, which is right next to this restaurant. And over there is a beautiful Ramayan play which happens every day. So just stay tuned. Also, the food and drinks here are absolutely fab. From refreshing cocktails to perfectly plated meals, everything tastes as good as it looks. Whether you are here for a light snack, a healthy meal, or just a sunset drink, Malini Cafe will not disappoint you. Also, what made our experience even more special was the chance to spot the helicopter rides flying around the cliffs, giving the whole scene such a dreamy and cinematic vibe. Also, I think they gave this helicopter ride here for the whole tour of this ocean, like around. And my son ordered this delicious ice cream, which is chocolate and vanilla based, which was really nice. And this is a glimpse of the menu. Some people are just sitting there on the cliff, just enjoying. They don't want to come at the restaurant. They just want to hike at the cliff and they just want to relax. Mostly foreigners do that. And these are the glimpse of the menus. If you want to take a screenshot, they have very few options in vegetarian, but yeah, we got like pasta and all and pizza. So yeah, it was okay for us. Somebody was trying to take picture and they just wanted to sit on the cliff, and the restaurant people actually stopped them. They were just dangling their legs down from this place, and somebody has planned a proposal dinner over here. So this is all the decor going on. They also do birthday decor, anniversary, so a perfect romantic destination. Just pre-inform them and they will do the needful. And this is their massive pool area. You can sit by the pool. And that's it for this vlog. Bye.